Hey, what's going on? Going to show you how to check the transmission fluid. This is a 2001 Lexus GS300 and pretty much the same for 98 to 2005. The car needs to be on, idling in park. You want to have the vehicle idling in park. Transmission stick, dipstick is down here. There's a little lock on it. Push the lock back, pull it up and out. Okay, there's actually two indicators on it. We want to wipe it first. Put it back down in and pull it out. And there are two indicators. Right now my engine is cool, so this little notch is for when it's cool, and then when the vehicle's hot, you want it up between these two notches. All right, so we don't need to add any. If you did need to add some, you want a nice long funnel that can go right down into the tube, and you would add it right into the tube here. And then once you're done adding it, recheck it and make sure your dipstick is back in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.